back with another one. Alright guys, we're back with another update, and yes, we had a red day. Yes, things are looking down, but if you look between the lines, things are actually deeper than they seem. Fundamentals improving, technicals are showing a breakout, and I might have to be the bearer of bad news, and we might have to touch back down to reality, and I'll explain why in the video. But I have some information for you guys you don't want to miss. I only put the real out there so you guys can see the facts and the fundamentals, and that's what I use to paint my picture and make you guys choose your own decision. Follow who you want to follow, do what you want to do. This is the facts and the fundamentals. Let's dive in the charts and see what I have for you in this video. Alright guys, we're here with the chart and we're looking at AMC and Ape. So basically today we have the third red day in a row, and this is now forming what we call a falling wedge, which is a bullish formation which has 2 out of 3 chances to break out to the upside. Now this is on the daily chart, but guys, that is the micro. I like to look at the macro, the bigger picture, and then on the bigger picture we have green bullish weekly MACD, and we also have what? All-time high short interest. Every time short interest is this high, guys, things pop off, and what is needed for a short squeeze? Short interest. So as you guys can see, the shorts obviously did what today? They got a lot of short pressure on the short to try to push us down. And where did they push us to? Only down to the $5 support. Now guys, we have to hold that $5 support because I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but we might have to do a triple or quadruple bottom. AMC likes to do triple or quadruple bottoms. It's basically another double bottom, and that would be around the $3.70 level. Now look, I'm just being real with you guys. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but if you look at the bullish technicals of this, we have this huge sloping resistance that has been resistance forever since the run up to 272, which is now 44. And if we break above that, which that is the line we're hugging now, and that's why everyone's getting excited, because if we break above that and hold, we are absolutely going to see massive price movement to the upside, but we might have to come back down and retest down here and then break up, and the shorts love to push things and kick the can down the road. So do not be surprised and do not be discouraged if you do see a move like that. But guys, we do have something going on with the SPY that will help us continue up, because the SPY has been pushing above huge macro resistance. Again, macro is much more important than the micro. This is the bigger time frame. This is the weekly time frame. This has been since the top of the SPY, and we are now closing above this huge sloping resistance that has been resistance since the top of the market way back in 2020 or 2022. So guys, this is getting absolutely crazy. The market is making a push, and we had an official close to the upside, which could help AMC push to the upside and help us gain momentum to actually push above this huge sloping resistance and gain the momentum that we need. But I want every one of my followers to be prepared if you see a move to the downside and what I'm looking at. But guys, don't worry about that, because again, with this huge short interest and the green weekly MACD, which every time we had the green weekly MACD, we seen huge run up. So look, green weekly MACD, run up. Green weekly MACD, run up. Green weekly MACD, run up. Every time we have seen this metric with the high short interest, and this has all been times we've had high short interest, we've seen these huge run ups and these huge pops, and if it's the official pop that we break this official resistance, we are going to see a massive movement to the upside. Now all week we have been waiting for the break of $6 because we have a massive amount of call options and gamma in that area. And if we look at the options chain, we can actually see that there is a lot of options around $7, $8, $9, and $10. That's why earlier this week I was calling that out, because if we had a gamma squeeze, it would be very easy for us to push up to them. As you can see, a massive amount of call options stacking up around this range, which would give us a gamma squeeze and enough momentum to push up to the upside. So again, these are all things that pushing to saying that if we can break this, we will be pushing to the upside, but we need to hold that $5 level as support. $5 is crucial, as it was such a huge resistance before. It is going to be crucial support now, and we need to hold that. So we need to stay above $5 for me to not be concerned of having to retest the bottom of the wedge. Now, if we break below $5, I'm going to be saying, hey, we need to retest this lower resistance down here and come back down to about $3 and then break out of the wedge, which nobody wants to see. Hey, I want things as much as you, but this is a time play. Things are a time thing, and this is a ticking time bomb, so you will have to wait. But if we look at the prices, look at the technicals for AMC and Ape, they are continuing to the upside. They are looking good. Ape is in this ascending resistance that has been acting for quite some time now. This is a daily time frame, so as you guys can see, it's been several days that this has been acting as support and is remaining in this. So I'm going to assume that Ape is going to stay in this channel and continue up as planned until it can continue to consolidate. $2 is going to be heavy resistance for Ape, but as you can see, the Bollinger Bands are consolidating, which means a big move is coming for Ape. So as you guys can see, the technicals are lining up, and not only that, AMC's fundamentals are improving, and they are improving such as they are getting loans. Yes, this might be looking at him as a shill, and I will speak on this, but guys, he has to work with the banks. My thing on Adam Aron is I am neither for him or against them. I'm neutral on Adam Aron. All I care about is a squeeze, and as long as he's doing certain things to make sure the company stays alive, I'm for whatever he's doing. But I also know that he has to work with these banks as well. But the fundamentals for AMC are improving. They might even post cash positive on the earnings for Q4 or this earnings coming up right now. I mean, not Q4, but the earnings coming up right now. So fundamentals are improving. Technicals are improving. Everything is lining up. Guys, we have huge momentum for the Moass. So like I was saying, guys, you can see that things are lining up with the fundamentals, the technicals. Fundamentals are improving behind the background, which will destroy the short thesis, allowing us to continue to the upside. The technicals are showing us that a possible breakout is coming. So you can believe what you want, you can do what you want to do, but this is what I believe, this is what I am, this is what I'm doing. I got shares and I am holding. So that is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. If you see the end of this, let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Say I reached the end of the video. And let me know how you felt about the video. It really helps the channel out when you drop likes, comments, subscribes. I also have a Discord and a Twitter. You can check me out there as well if you like. And I drop short updates all the time. And yes, I do post other things, but you guys can ignore that unless you find it interesting. Then go ahead and check it out. So that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.